This is the first unboxing I've done in front of the camera. I know it's been a while since I've done a review or anything of any YouTube related content. But, you know, no better time than the present. Just got something in the mail today. I'm gonna open it up. I pre-ordered this. I mean, and if you can see by the description, you already know what it is. So, the Team Store had a collab with Vans, obviously, and they released a couple of shoes. I thought they were only gonna be available to purchase in person, and I was like, damn it, because I live in Vegas, so I can't, I mean, I could just hop on a plane and go, but I'm not gonna do that for some shoes. And thankfully they listed a link, and they decided to let everyone pre-order the different shoes. I only picked up one. I think I only really needed to pick up one. So here we go. The box is a little damaged, a little disappointing, but here you go. Vans Anaheim Ducks collab. Yeah, the box could be in better shape, but you don't wear the box, so it doesn't matter. Let's take a look at what else is in here. Just the receipt, and that's about it. Alright, first impressions, the box is actually really cool. It's got the logo on it, and then ducks all around the side, and the 30th anniversary mark on it. You can already smell that rubber. So we're gonna unbox, and these things are pretty sick. So first off the bat, it is the old school colors. I mean, obviously I'm wearing the old school jersey. So there's material. I'll go ahead and get in depth with this in just a second, but just initial reviews or initial reactions and thoughts was, yeah, this is very much a jade and eggplant shoe. I tend to not really wear colors like this, so it should be interesting. I mean, obviously if I go to a game, I'm gonna get this off the fit, obviously. But let's go ahead and get real detailed in this. So here we go, right off the bat. The detail on this, I mean, it's different. This is almost like a jersey material. And then on this one, it's a jersey material also, but it's glossed over, so it's a little more plasticky than this one. But I do like that it is quote unquote jersey material or jersey looking material. Obviously you have the branding on the back of the Anaheim Ducks logo. They just rebranded back to it. They didn't bring back the colors, which I'm totally fine with, keeping the orange and the black and whatever. I like it. Orange County makes sense. But I kind of wish they had put the new logo on this, but at the same time, I understand it's throwback. You want to pay homage, and you're going with these colors anyways. So I don't have them laced up, but typical Vans skate high. The material is still the same. You get white laces with it, Vans off wall. We'll lace these up later. We'll take a look at the insole. And you see, if I can get the focus, Vans and the Ducks 30th anniversary logo. Nothing too crazy on the inside. You have your padded tongue, because these are skate shoes. You are meant to skateboard in these. And then the Vans and the Ducks logo once again. Kind of right there. And the size tag and all that. Since 1966 for Vans. But just a quick review. You got the purple going around on the back. I'm gonna assume the other shoe is pretty much the same to my knowledge. Yeah, same shoe. There you go. On the back, nothing different. Paper the same. Not seeing. Oh man, I need to quit telling me that. No extra laces, which is fine. I mean, it's alright. Just with the white laces, I think that's fine because the stripe is white, and you have that in leather. But maybe one extra lace of one of the other two colors, either the purple or the jade green or whatever, or the turquoise green, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so there you go. And there you have it. That's the review. I hope you guys liked it, comment, whatever. I'm not trying to build a big YouTube channel. It's just something I like doing. What are your thoughts? Should I have gone with one of the other two pairs? Because there were a couple other ones. I'm not a big slip-on guy, and then the other one was, it was nice, but it wasn't Anaheim Ducks enough for me. So that's why I went with this one. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this review, and we'll see what happens next.